EU regulations, climate change, or increasing the durability of your company, no matter what reason you pick, it is time to think about making your company more sustainable. SAP offers numerous tools to get the insights into the impact of your business on the environment. This video will mainly focus on the sustainability solutions from a procurement point of view. Hi, my name is Ramon Verhagen and today I will be talking to you about procurement-related sustainability solutions. The upcoming Corporate Social Responsibility Directive forces companies with at least 250 employees or a turnover of more than 50 million a year to publish the sustainability strategy they have formulated, which objectives are associated with it, what the policies and measures are to achieve those goals, and how progress is monitored and reported. To analyze a company's impact on the environment, emissions are usually divided into 3 scopes. Scope 1 includes direct emissions arising from activities within the company itself. It encompasses emissions directly related to business operations, such as combustion of fossil fuels in company vehicles and facilities. Scope 2 covers indirect emissions resulting from the use of energy purchased by the company, such as electricity, heat and steam. Examples include CO2 emissions from the power plant supplying energy to the company. Companies are indirectly responsible for these emissions. Scope 3 covers the other indirect emissions. This is the most comprehensive category and includes all other emissions related to the company's activities but are not directly controlled by the company itself. Examples include transportation of goods, business travel, production of purchased materials and waste disposal. Companies have indirect influence on these emissions, but they are not always directly accountable. Distinguishing between these scopes helps companies understand the complete climate impact and take targeted measures to reduce emissions. Since procuring goods externally causes the companies to emit CO2, the most relevant scopes for the procurement department are scopes 2 and 3. For these reasons, the solution discussed in this video cover mainly scopes 2 and 3. If you are curious for more content in this area, the links to earlier videos about sustainability are added to the description. Make sure to check those out. SAP Ariba has multiple tools to help you get insights in the sustainability of your suppliers. In the next section we will dive into these tools to help, and perhaps one of these tools will be a good fit for the sustainability goals of your organization. The first tool I'm going to talk about is SAP Ariba Supplier Risk Management. SAP Ariba Supplier Risk Management allows you to monitor and manage risk with your suppliers using risk exposure scores, third-party data and template-driven projects for managing risk. If a supplier does not meet the desired ratings in areas such as environmental, social and governmental policies, you as a company can create issue documents, which can be sent to suppliers to let them know they should improve on those areas. Monitoring suppliers on the basis of negative publicity and geographical risks is standard with a subscription to Supplier Risk Management. Additionally, if you want to monitor environmental and social activities of a supplier more extensively, it is possible to integrate data from EcoVadis into SAP Ariba Risk Management. EcoVadis is a platform that assesses and rates the sustainability of companies. They collect data related to environmental, social and ethical practices. Their evaluation covers areas such as environmental impact, labor and human rights, business ethics and sustainable procurement. By analyzing this data, EcoVadis provides more companies with insights to improve their sustainability practices and make informed decisions. It is also possible to integrate supplier risk management with guided buying. This makes it possible to assign a preferred status to suppliers which meet your sustainability demands. Users of the guided buying feature can then see which suppliers are recommended to use. This might increase the use of sustainable suppliers in your organization. The last and relatively new solution of SAP is the Green Token. SAP Green Token is a chain of custody business application designed to help organizations trace and account for certified, sustainable versus conventional raw materials throughout their entire supply chain network. SAP Green Token uses the principle of mass balance, tokenization, and blockchain. SAP essentially keeps track of all the movements of the raw materials until the end, using digital twins called tokens on a blockchain. The increased traceability of sustainable materials throughout the supply chain makes it easier to audit the sustainable activities of the organization. It makes it also easier to acquire sustainable certifications. I hope this McCoy TV gave you some insights into some of the solutions SAP has to offer to improve sustainability of procurement activities within your organization. Make sure you subscribe to this channel to get notified about future episodes regarding sustainability, where we will go into more detail about solutions given in this McCoy TV.